No guys, just realized my left side park light is not working, and then when you go up front, same thing. One's lit up, one other one's not, as you can see. So I think this is a bad case of blown out fuse. I think the fuse on this model Montero Sports has fuse for the left and right park light. So to show you how to replace it, it's very easy. Turn this off. You need to locate under the driver your fuse box. As you can see, there's a fuse, and you have your diagram right here. As this says right side up. So what you're looking here is sign that says park light. These two indicates side light or park light, because I know this is the problem because both front and back are not working, but my brake light does work on the left side even though the park light has no power going to it. So all I need is to locate which of these has the blown out fuse. I'll try first the upper one. It says 7.5 amps here, 7.5 amps, 7.5 amps here too. There you can see two 7.5 amps, but the other one's 10 amps. I don't know what the previous owner probably replaced it, so we'll check first the other one. Okay, this is the 10 amps. As you can see, it's a blown fuse. It has already no connections. Need to replace it with a new one. From the manual it states 7.5 amps from the diagram. Replace it with a 7.5 amps fuse. That's what it looks like supposed to be. There's a bridge connected to both feet of the fuse. All we need now is to reinsert this and hope it works. There you go, 7.5 amps, both on top. I'll now try to turn the park light. There you go, both lights light up perfectly, left and right. And also at the front, the left side that does not work now working. Okay, guess that's it. Just a simple fuse change and we're good to go. Subscribe for more videos.